In this video, I will show you 3 ways that you can use to receive money on PayPal. So the first one is for personal payments, so friends and family. And for that one, what you want to do is just give the sender your PayPal email or phone number, which you will be able to find by clicking on the gear icon in the top right. And from there, the sender can just go to send and request right there. Then here they can simply enter your email or phone number. And from there, it will find your PayPal account. And basically this is for personal payments. So that's one way that you can receive money on PayPal. The next one is for business payments, so goods and services. So in order to do that one, what you want to do is also go send and request, but just going to click request. And then from there, you can either request money by entering the other person's email, phone number, or any other details that you see right here. Or what you can do is create an invoice or share your personal profile. So if it's a business payment, I would create an invoice, and then you can also create a seller profile. But in most cases, what you can also do is click share your personal profile. And from there, it will take you to your personal PayPal profile. Then here you can just click on the share icon, and then here click on copy link. And now when somebody opens your link, they can then just go and click send. And then here they need to log into their account, and from there they can then choose how much they want to transfer to your PayPal account. Now if you want to receive money from, for example, your own bank, then what you can do is just go to the home screen and just go and click on add money with Ideal, or if you click transfer money. You can then also click add money to your balance in order to just send it as a bank transfer. So that's how to receive money on PayPal. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.